Hello, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this episode, we are going to learn about PHP string and some functions that we used to manipulate the PHP string. Okay, so let's get into the programming section. Now I'm going to write a string called hello world. We are using the echo to print the string. Here I'm writing hello world and I'm closing it. Now go to the browser and we can see the result hello world there. Now what I'm going to do, store the string in a variable called variable, same string hello world. Now we can use the echo to print the variable. Now we are echoing the variable and we can see the same result hello world. Now we are going to use the first PHP string function called strlen, and by using the strlen we will get the length of a string. We are using the echo and the function PHP function strlen, and we can define the dollar variable, and we can see the output as 13. That means the length of hello world is 30. Now we are writing another PHP string function called str word count, and this function will return the count of words in a string. See the result, there is 2 words in the string. Now we are going to write another PHP string function called strrev. That means it will reverse the string. You can see the result. See, the string is reversed. Now we can write another function called strpos. This will return the position of an word or a character from a string, and it will return the position of the character that we search for. Okay, in this program we are searching for the character called world, and it's showing nothing because I think there's some mistake in the program. Yeah, the W is small letter, that's why. We can make it caps and search again. Yeah, it's now showing the output as 6. That means the position of the character, the world, is in the 6th position. Now the next function str replace. By using this function we can replace any word, any character from a string. Okay, now we can check it out how to do that. In the first position we can write the word which we want to find in the string, and in the second position we can write the string which we want to replace. See, the word is replaced with Motion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked the video please press the like button, also do the subscribe. Thank you for watching.